Stock research is stupid. In this video, you're going to learn why you should not spend time researching and reading about the stocks that you own. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Visit BestStockStrategy.com for $400 of valuable free options trading information. I used to read SeekingAlpha.com. It was almost as if it was beaten into me that I had to dedicate the time and read and research, and that as long as I did that, then I would be rewarded with making more money. We're taught from an early age that if you study in school, then you'll do better. The problem is that oftentimes the information that we're consuming is garbage. And in my opinion, bad information is worse than no information. And from my own personal experience, I performed significantly worse when I read articles and did research and watched CNBC than I do right now by consuming no information. When many people consume information, they're looking for confirmation bias, which means that they're going to look for information that confirms their existing belief. The goal of many articles and videos is to elicit an emotional response. However, oftentimes emotional responses are not rational. As I said previously, you believe that if you study more, if you invest the time, then you're entitled to make more money. However, with the stock market, it doesn't work like that. The more you study and the more time you invest in the stock market, you're not entitled to making more money. And oftentimes, the more time you invest is actually going to be counterproductive. To make money in the stock market, you need to make good decisions. And when trading options, the most important aspects are knowing when to trade, when not to trade, and the sizing of the positions that you take. Plus, we trade large cap stocks, which are market leaders and that oftentimes have very strong brands. As a result, almost all the information that you read is already priced in. There is nothing that you're going to read about Amazon that is going to help you make money in the stock. Instead, you're simply wasting your time by reading articles on SeekingAlpha.com about Amazon. In my opinion, more information oftentimes is a distraction. There is a lot of bad information out there, and bad information is worse than no information. There is no guarantee that you're consuming good information. And I can tell you that from my personal experience, I did worse when I invested time and read articles about the underlyings on my watch list. Instead, if you want to be a consistently profitable options trader, the best thing that you can do is to improve your discipline, learn when to trade, when not to trade, and also learn how to correctly size your positions. Once you learn these aspects, they will significantly help you improve your overall consistency, and they can also help you win up to 98% of your trades. So I definitely understand that this video is a little bit controversial, and it goes against everything that we've been taught, that preparation and sacrifice and studying and knowledge is actually counterproductive. But what I can tell you is that the more time I invested in researching and reading about the stocks on my watch list, the worse I performed. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, whether it is worthwhile to read about and invest time in researching the companies on your watch list. And I definitely appreciate you spending these few minutes with me.